So this Euro Yen analysis for Monday the 21st of May. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had price come down towards this 29.60. Saw a strong move here above the 29.95, came slightly above the 130.60. Brief pullback underneath, tested 200 period moving average. Another pullback, held the 30.60 support. Had prices then moved to the 30.94, posted a bit of a pin bar above the 30.94 and the 400 period moving average, from which we have seen the sell side momentum return to the market, breaking below the 30.60, heading down towards this 30.20. At market open today, we've had a brief gap up in the market. We've had a bit of a gap fill as well, back above the 200 period moving average. And again, we've had price come up towards the 400 period moving average, had a much perfect test of that 400 period moving average, and we are seeing some sell side momentum come back into the market. So the 400 period moving average appears to be acting as a dynamic level of resistance. So if we do see this momentum follow through to the downside, we're looking for the next horizontal support being around at 29.95. Successful break from which we're looking for a move down towards at 29.45, and beyond the 29.45, we've got a pretty important level sitting around this 129. If, however, we can find support back down at the let's change the scaling here. So if we can find support back down at a 200 period moving average or in around a 30.20 before getting down towards the 29.5, could potentially see price break above the 30.60. Successful break from which, if we are able to successfully navigate the 400 period moving average, we'll be looking for a move up towards that 30.94. If we do break and hold 30.94, we'll be then looking for price to head up towards that 31.70. Very strong major level marked out here in red. If so, with that said, let's just have a quick look here at the higher time frame. So we'll have a look here at the monthly chart first. And over here on the monthly chart, we can see we've got our lows, higher lows, strong move here to the upside, very sharp sell-off, brief pullback, and we appear to be having a bit more of a sell-off here on the Euro Yen. So despite the fact that we're in an uptrend, we're seeing it punctuated by some bearishness. So we do see that momentum follow through to the downside. Could potentially see prices head down toward the mid 120s, but for now we do appear to find support in around that 129 level. So we'll look to see if we do head back down there, if we do find support again, and see this continuation of this bullish move that we've had here on this monthly chart. What we'll do now is have a look at the weekly chart, and over on the weekly chart we can see here we've had our just bear with me a second here. There we go. We've had our lows, higher lows, strong move upside, pull back, strong move to the upside, pull back, continuation, pull back, continuation, pull back, continuation. We've had prices retested 200 period average, brief bullish bounce, failed, retested 200 period average, and we do appear to be having a bit of a bullish bounce at the moment, but there does appear to be some weakness. So we'll see if we do fail again, retested 200 and possibly break further here to the downside. Now let's just have a look here at the daily chart before wrapping it up. And so what we'll do now, sorry, wrong. We'll have a look here at the daily chart. Euro against the yen. May not be no 2 hours in it's rather strange. There we go. So the Euro Yen from a daily chart perspective, we've had price come down towards our previous lows, had this move upwards towards that 20 period moving average, brief rejection, pullback, posted a bit of a pin bar. I've gone to this bit of consolidation, so there is a possibility of seeing further upside momentum continuation, a bit of a recovery here on the euro against the yen, especially if we are able to hold above the 130 level. There is a likelihood of seeing further upside momentum continuation here on the euro yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.